Hello everyone, I am Pratik Badani, a 24-year young lad living life just like everyone else around. But today I decided to step up and make a little difference, at least for myself and for everyone else who joins with me in this particular journey. Our parents, our teachers, and even our friends who live with us and care for us tell us to do certain things like waking up early, eating a balanced diet, doing some exercises, and many more habits which will make our lifestyle better. But we do not do so. Why? Because we do not have the time. After this pandemic has happened and we all stuck in our house during this lockdown, at least we have learnt one particular thing, that time is not the factor for us to follow these particular good habits which will make our lifestyle better. Actually, there are so many things to do that at the end of the day we decided to do none of them. So hence, let's make a small change. Let's do good habits one by one. Hence, I have come up with this video. In this particular video, I will be talking about one particular small good habit that we can follow in our lifestyle, and let us continue to do so at least for 1 year time. Okay, and at the end of every 2 weeks, I will come up with a video regarding a lifestyle change. At the end of the next video, I'll tell my short-term experience about this particular habit, and at the end of the year, I'll describe my long-term experience by following this particular habit. By the way, I have named this series Lifestyle Online. Lifestyle Online, you get it? Sorry for the poor joke. Let's get straight into the video. Welcome to the first episode of Lifestyle Online. In this episode, we are going to discuss about drinking water. Yes, you heard it right, drinking water, because a lot of us drink water the wrong way. So let's see 5 don'ts and 1 do with regards to drinking water. Don't number 1. Don't drink water at least within half an hour before a meal and 1 hour after a meal. Why so? Because during a meal, if we have water also in our digestive system, it will dilute our digestive system and the digestion will not happen properly. Now let's go to don't number 2. Don't drink water while in a standing position. Always sit down and then drink water. Why? Because our kidneys will get affected adversely if we stand and drink water. Don't number 3. Don't gulp water directly. You should sip and drink water. Our elders always say, eat water like food and have food like water. What is eat water like food? It means that we should have water slowly when we are drinking it. Why so? Because our mouth produces saliva. Saliva is an alkaline and our digestive system produces acids. Acids have acidic nature. Alkaline goes inside the digestive system and creates a balance in our body. Hence, we should not gulp water directly. We should sip and drink water. Don't number 4. Don't drink ice cold water. Why so? Because if chilled water goes into our digestive system, it will solidify the food which goes into our digestive system and makes digestion very difficult. Hence, even if you feel like having cold water, have water from a mud pot. Now let's go to don't number 5. Don't drink excess water. Yes, excess water is also very bad for our health. So now comes the question, how much water to drink in a particular day? Well, I would say generally 2 to 3 liters of water is sufficient for a person in a day. Well, if you think it's a different amount, do let me know in the comment section below. Now let's come to the one do that we must do regarding water. We should at least have 300 ml to 500 ml water as soon as we wake up in the morning. Why? I already told you, saliva should get mixed into the water while going into our digestive tract, and as soon as we wake up, the saliva content in our mouth is the highest. So when it goes into our digestive system, it will neutralize the acids in our digestive system and make our digestive system better. I take a pledge that from tomorrow onwards, every single day early in the morning, as soon as I wake up, I will drink at least half liter of water. The short-term results of this particular habit change I will be telling you in the next video, and hopefully the long term effects I will be sharing with you after 1 year time. Okay, so please do let me know if you also will take this particular pledge, and also if you have any other suggestion for me for a lifestyle habit, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, and do I need to tell you, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. So how much water to drink? Well, it differs. Don't drink water. Yes, excess water is also bad for our health. So now comes the question.